Dear friends, on the occasion of Independence Day, Room to Read India is happy to announce our second reading campaign, India Gets Reading, to emphasize on the need for freedom from illiteracy. The campaign is going to continue till the International Literacy Day on September 8. As articulated in the National Education Policy 2020, we are witnessing a learning crisis across the country. With a large proportion of our elementary school going children lacking in the ability to read and comprehend basic text. The COVID pandemic has further aggravated the situation, as schools are closed since March and many children have lost touch with education. Still others face the risk of dropping out of school, while governments, corporates, and civil society organizations are trying their best to reach out to these children through virtual means and through education technology offerings. It would require the collective effort of all of us to ensure that all children across the country are in school and they attain foundational literacy and numeracy by grade 3. This is key to our national development and economic empowerment. The India Gets Reading campaign is to emphasize the need for universal foundational literacy and to build a culture of reading in schools and in communities. Books are our windows to the world outside, and if we can get our children hooked onto books, we can set them up on a path of continuous learning. In these COVID times, books can be read at home, both online and offline, and is a key activity that can keep children engaged and connected to learning even while the schools are closed. Last year, the first reading campaign got an overwhelming response, with more than 10 lakh children participating across 10 states of India. I seek your support to make this year's campaign a huge success as well. During this period, we expect children to be reading by themselves, along with their friends, relatives, parents, and grandparents. We'll make available a variety of books and reading materials through online platforms and social media. As part of the second reading campaign, Room to Read is proud to be partnering with Crossword. This partnership would bring a new dimension to the campaign, given the sheer reputation, presence, and reach that Crossword has in India. With a large children's section and their focus on making their stores safe, child-friendly, and fun-filled places, Crossword attracts a large number of children and families who do not usually go to visit bookstores. With our mission so much in alignment, I am very excited about this partnership. I would request all of you to follow the reading campaign in Room to Read India's social media pages, where exciting activities await. Please take some time off from your daily grind and spend it on reading. And don't forget to paste a picture of yourself reading your favorite book on social media and tag us and hashtag India Gets Reading. Be a part of the Reading Campaign 2020. Be a part of world change starting with educated children.